Hello dear friends. In this lesson we will learn some of the most common drink names in English. Are you ready? Beer. Beer. Example. On a hot summer day, there's nothing more refreshing than an ice-cold beer. Champagne. Champagne. Example. We toasted our success with chilled champagne. Red wine. Red wine. Example. Red wine goes well with steak. White wine. White wine. Example. Some people prefer red wine, but I prefer white wine. Whiskey. Whiskey. Example. Some people like whiskey with ice cubes. Cola. Cola. Example. I love drinking cola with a pizza. Water. Water. Example. Doctors recommend to drink water every day. Sparkling water. Sparkling water. Example. Can you bring me a glass of sparkling water, please? Cocktail. Cocktail. Example. I like to drink a fruity cocktail at the beach. Coffee. Coffee. Example. I would like a cup of coffee without sugar. Tea bag. Tea bag. Example. You can find different flavors of tea bags at the store. Milk. Milk. Example. I like to pour milk on my cereal in the morning. Milkshake. Milkshake. Example. Strawberry milkshakes are my favorite sweet treat. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Example. Can we have hot chocolate for dessert tonight? Orange juice. Orange juice. Example. I love orange juice for breakfast. Apple juice. Apple juice. Example. The apple juice is cold and refreshing. Grape juice. Grape juice. Example. My mom bought a big bottle of grape juice. Lemonade juice. Lemonade juice. Example. Lemonade juice is sweet and sour at the same time. Lemon juice. Lemon juice. Example: lemon juice adds a refreshing flavor to water. Lime juice. Lime juice. Example: mix lime juice with sugar for a tangy drink. Kiwi juice. Kiwi juice. Example: I love drinking kiwi juice in the morning, it's so refreshing. Melon juice. Melon juice. Example: I love drinking sweet melon juice on a hot day. Peach juice. Peach juice. Example: can I have a glass of cold peach juice, please? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell for more videos.